This place is not bad. And you can see over there all the mustard greens. I've been telling him it's a mustard greens, like a Toriko pool or something. You can see all looks like it's padding over there. We're gonna go to the steeper stairs.
We're gonna go on a expedition today. We're trying to get up to the top of that hill. I think there's an elephant up there, right?
Not sure, but we always heard.
Wait, no, that's a rooster.
Rooster, elephant noise, but it's a mission.
This is a big hill, and we want to see what's on the other side. It's a mission, an expedition, an adventure.
Yeah.
Big adventure.
Big adventure. And also, you guys have been very good to us. Thank you for all the subscriber.
Thank you.
Yeah, we really appreciate. Our channel is growing, and I would like to do, especially me, म चाहिँ हजुरहरूलाई एउटा भिडियो गर्छु. हामीहरू अलिकति साई छौँ है नेपालमा, अनि म धेरै वर्षपछि आएको भएर मलाई अलिकति अप्ठ्यारो लाग्छ. म बोल्दाखेरि मैले केही मिस्टेक गर्यो, हामीबाट मिस्टेक गर्यो. Please forgive us. But keep subscribing and don't forget to like and also comment. Like your comment, even it's negative, I really welcome you. गर्न नभुल्नु होला. अरू कुरा चाहिँ हामी यहाँबाट माथि त्यो टेम्पलमा जाने कोसिस गरिरहेको छौँ र थाहा छैन कस्तो हुन्छ. अनि अर्को कुरा चाहिँ हामी अलिकति साई छौँ, ऊ पनि साई छ, म पनि. प्लस चाहिँ I have some issue. You know, I have little bit disfigure and disability. अनि मलाई अलिक क्यामेराबाट साई लाग्छ, तर म जे छु त्यही छु. Thank you for accepting me, all you guys accepting me. म फेरि अर्को vlogsमा I will tell you detail what's going in my life, what happened.
Come on, you can do it.
I can do it, man. So where's the time? Today's Shivarati.
We found some cows up here. Very nice cows, big ones. Big one, humongous head. And the dogs. We're continuing up the path, and it just goes up and up to the top of the hill. Look at this road, guys. Watch it. There's only one part where you can go. There's beautiful houses up here. Ridiculous houses up here. Look at these, man. Awesome house. Most of these people have goats too. We take them to graze on the side of the hill by our house. This is the temple, the place we've been looking for. No more houses, nice houses. Come around this corner, and we just got a glimpse of the rest of the stairs. And we already came up these stairs. This is worse than Swainbunath. This is not, Swainbunath is nothing compared to this. So I just noticed these steps are not just steps, but they're also on an angle. They're slanted steps. So you're going up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's called Santaneshwor. This is mountain. Oh my goodness. There's a steep hill.
You made it to the top. All the way to the top. Ooh. There's another staircase. Ooh. If you fell down there, you try try to grab onto something and stop your fall.
Hi guys, give me the I'm resting right now. We came all the way down and I get so tired. It's a little hiking, but today we are so lucky. Today is a Shivarati and all of those people are going up in Santaneshwor. And I just went this temple. It's called Maha. It's for good life, I guess. And now we're going up.
Okay, go.
So guys, this is divided by this thing. You go going up, you go
Left
this
and right.
side. And other side, coming down.
Okay.
So guys, we are here at Santaneshwor temple. We meet a beautiful ladies, small girls over here. बहिनीहरु अनि उहाँहरुले चाहिँ फोटो रिक्वेस्ट गर्नुभएको थियो खिच्नलाई अनि they are very nice. I would like to take a picture with them. Okay, let's go. Give me money. I need money for the car. You take this
It says only 80 kg and below, so I'm too heavy. We found
He's limping.
a doggy, but he's injured. He's got a limp.
Oh no.
Oh, poor baby. You okay, little guy? Ah, देखिरहेछौ बन्द.
It's a nice view over here. The day is very beautiful today. So Shivarati, you can see people hanging over here like a picnic spot. It's a great place. So that's it. We're done with the temple. We did everything, take an offering, blessing, and it's a good day. आज शिवरात्रि हो अनि हामी लकी परेछ त्यही दिनमा आयौँ यहाँ. Now we gotta go. I came all the way up in the hill. Now I have to go all the way down, and it's not that bad because it's gonna be going down. It's easier. When I came first over here, माथि हिँड्दाखेरि मलाई यस्तो गाह्रो भयो कि स्वार फुवा त्यसमाथि मेरो नी प्रब्लम भएको हुनाले साह्रै गाह्रो भयो. तर it's worth it. It's very worth it. We went to Maha temple mandir, and this is a Santaneshwor mandir. It was lots of crowded people over here, dancing, having fun. It's like a nice day. Jai Sambho. And this is my face. This is my face for today. I'm all prepared for the water, for the little fruits. Sabaile, so mandir or picnic spot ma aउँदाखेरि चाहिँ snacks-हरु खानुस्. But don't forget plastic bag. Whatever garbage you make, please put it in the garbage. Okay? गर्नु होला किनभने सफा राखौं. House like this in future.
She's always talking about bamboo. Right now she's in front of the bamboo forest. What does that sign say over there? And what does it mean in English?
English, save the greenery, and then you just plant the flower and make it green and
Wow.
एउटा मात्रको पुग्छ मलाई त साह्रो छ पूजा राम्रो हुन्छ नि हैन पूजा गर्नमा के हुँदैन
That's too dark. They didn't do it. They're not paying. Oh, stop. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh my god. We got scolded. Nani, are you scolded already? Huh? Where's the pan? Where's the pan? What's the name?
Alright guys, just for the holiday, they're collecting money, the kids, to do something later. You gotta pay a toll. Good.
Maybe order गरेर हामीले बनाएको कतिवटा बनाउनुहुन्छ तपाईँलाई कतिवटा चाहिन्छ 50 पिस बनाएर मलाई हुन्छ कपडा चाहिँ छान्न आउँछु म अरू पैसा आउँछु म हामी पहिला 50 लिन्छौँ अनि पछि बढाउँदै जान्छौँ है दिदी फ्रेङ्की दिदी हजुरको नाम
कमला
कमला दिदी मेरो पनि एउटा बहिनीको नाम कमला हो सिक्ने हो हामी नेपालीहरूले त अझ बुझ्छ भन्नु अरूहरूले बुझ्दैन
Back in HD Furnishings. This is the furniture store, and you can get everything you need. You got. Hey.